Hello Year 9, on to our next lesson. Today we're looking at further quadratic trinomials. This is nothing new content-wise, just more types of questions of different types of factorizations. Again, 5.3. Question 1, 3a squared plus 12a minus 36. So just to clarify, these are all still factorizing questions. Now this is mnemonic, but one thing we didn't see last lesson, but we're going to see today, is there a common factor? Always check first if you can take something out. I believe this one, the 3 can go outside. So that's going to become 3a squared plus 4a minus 12. We now actually have a monic because the non-monic part can go outside the front. This is now monic. Now, just like the last couple of lessons, draw up a cross. That 3 is outside, so we can ignore that. Just look at this here. So a squared can be a and a. Now 12, negative 12, negative 6 and negative 6 and 2. Actually, negative 2 and 6 is better because it gives us 4a. So negative 2 and 6. Let's check it. A times minus 2 is minus 2a. 6 times a is 6a. And 6a take away 2a is indeed 4a. So we do know that it's negative 2 and 6. So that's a plus there. Minus, so they're my answers. So it's going to be equals that 3 is still there. A plus 6, a minus 2. All right, question 2. This one's interesting. What we might do as a first step is to rearrange it so we have squared, letter, number. So my first step is this. Minus p squared minus 8p plus 48. Now these are much easier if the square bit is negative. So what I'm going to do now is actually factorize out that negative. So equals negative p squared plus 8p minus 48. And to clarify that, minus p squared minus plus is minus, minus minus is plus. So this is the same as this. But this is now much more nicer because it's plus in here. Okay, so equals, that minus is there on the side. Let's do our cross again. P. This last one's minus, so we know only one of these is going to be minus. 48. I'm thinking 12 and 4. Need to get 8p. I believe minus 4 and 12 should work. Because 12 times negative 4 is negative 48. And when we do the cross, so p times minus 4 is minus 4p. P times 12 is 12p. 12p take away 4p is indeed 8p. So these are my answers. So equals, negative is still there. Oops, don't want that one. P plus 12, p minus 4. And again, the order of the brackets doesn't matter. Okay, so nothing new content-wise, just more types of examples. Let's keep going. All right, here's another 2. Question 3 and question 4. Again, at this point, feel free to pause it and have a go before I go through them. Okay, question 3. Step 1, check. Any common factors? I believe 2 can go outside. So equals 2. 9x squared minus 9x. Take away 4. That 2's there the entire time. But on the side, drop across. 9x squared is 3x and 3x. Now negative 4. I believe we minus 4 and 1. 3x times minus 4 minus 12x. 3x times 1 and 3x. 3x take away minus 12. 3x minus 12x is minus 9x. So these are my answers. So equals 3x plus 1, 3x minus 4. Okay, question 4. I'm going to rearrange it. So minus 12x squared minus 7x plus 10. Again, it looks nicest if it's square bit first, regular second, number last. And again, like question 2, we don't like this being negative, so my next step is to take out the negative. So equals negative 12x squared. Now we want to take away 7x. We already have a minus out here. I'm going to plus it. We want to plus the 10. I already have a minus, so I'm going to minus 10. And again, to double check that, minus 12x, minus 7x, because minus plus is minus, and minus minus is plus, so plus 10. So this is definitely the same as this. So equals, okay, minus, but on the side, not across. Now again, we'll trial and error a bit. So 12x squared, we could have 4x and 3x. We could have 6x and 2x. We could have 12x and x. So pause the video, have a go, try those different factors, and see if you can get the cross to work. Okay, I believe it ends up being 4x and 3x. Now on the number side, I want to get minus 10. Now remember, the original one was plus 10, but I'm now looking at this bit here because I've changed this to be this. That's a minus 10. So I believe it's minus 2 and 5 here should work. Let's double check it. So 4x times minus 2 is minus 8x. 5 times 3x is 15x. 15x take away 8x is plus 7x. So again, just to clarify, we're not using these, we're now using this for our cross because we changed this to be this. So 15x minus 8x, 7x. Definitely works. So these are my answers. So equals minus 4x plus 5, 3x minus 2. Alright, so that's that bit done. So your work, there's some work here on the side, but again, always keep an eye on the Google Classroom posts because that will have more exact questions as well. Alright, see you in the next video.